Hello and welcome to Inspired World. Today we are going to unbox Seagate 2 TB portable hard disk. This comes with 3 years limited warranty. This also includes rescue data recovery services in case you face any issue in your hard disk. It also has a Mylio subscription from Create which can organize your photos for a year. It is also compatible with Windows and Mac. It has USB 3 as well as USB Type C, so you can connect to your mobile phone as well. It has a security wherein you can set your password, and it comes with Adobe Creative Cloud photography plan for 4 months. So let's unbox it. Okay, so here is the hard disk, and backside you can see cord and Type C cable. Inside the box you can get Ultra Touch user manual, Mylio Create to organize your photos, rescue data recovery services, and Adobe Creative Cloud photography plan. So hard disk is very slick and it has a silver color texture, fabric texture. You can see Seagate logo on top of it. Here is the light which can blink when it gets connected to your system. Then here we have the USB cable with hard disk connector, and additionally you have the Type C if you would like to connect your mobile phone, right? You can use this as an extension and you can connect your mobile phone as well. So this is what you get in the box. I hope you like this video. Thank you.